Hey everyone, so I'm back with another plan with me. This is my pocket rings planner that I made from a Simply Gilded sticker book. This is a daily printable from Annie Plans Printable and some dashboards from Planner Press. I will leave links down below, and any questions obviously please let me know. You can leave a comment or DM me on Instagram. I'm using a Grumpy Bear Studio kit. This is from last June, I believe. It's a subscription. This is for Hobonichi, but I'm not using that right now, obviously. And I'm using some Simply Gilded washi. I will leave links down below for this Grumpy Bear Studio subscription. It is amazing. It comes with so much stuff, and it's at a very affordable price. And the bear for it is absolutely adorable. And the colors are always pretty. Some are neutral, some are bright. It's really, really great. I love it. So I'm just going to go in with some washi. I added some whiteout for where the dates go. So yeah, I'm just going to go through and pick some stickers and put it all together. So if you have a planner that you would like me to decorate or use to give you some ideas, please let me know down below. I would be happy to do it for you. I don't mind changing my planner. I have different ones. So yeah, I hope you have a good weekend. Stay safe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.